Okay, as you can see, the ET8 here, after I ran it last time with this hopper extension, when it cooled off, it leaked. So I think what happened is the steel can and the aluminum expanded and contracted differently enough that the bit of sealant I put between the two layers failed. So I have made a little gasket and resealed that, and we'll see if that hopper extension stays sealed up this time. I'm just going to run this until it gets hot, and then I will shut it off and let it cool down to see if that makes it leak again. And I need to prime this. There. All right. Is it? All right. Well. Thought I had it on the needle setting from last time, but clearly alright, well, we'll shut the needle down and assume that we flooded it by accident. Alright, guess we'll drop that on the floor. Yeah. Okay, well, our plug was dirty, so that might have been our issue. And we have spark now, so let's